In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the requested operation requires elevation error 740. So let's go quick into the process. If you happen to encounter this in the command prompt, so search for command prompt again. So if you encounter this in the command prompt, close the command prompt, then type CMD again on the Windows search bar. Then on the right pane, you will have this option run as administrator. So simply click on run as administrator. Okay, see if that will help you fix the issue. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. If you encounter that with an application, simply make a right click on that application and then you have to select properties. Click on the advanced tab or advanced button and you'll find this option run as administrator. Simply check that option and click on OK, apply, and then OK. So that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.